Hi my friends and colleagues, as you know, my name is 𝗵𝗵. I'm head of design at Klika, and why I'm doing this kind of video, last year I did a Figma unboxing video, and this is something similar that I did last year. Is basically I want just to show how we appreciate all kind of hard works by our employees at the Klika. And last year we created a special program called Klika Service Awards. It's basically a program designed to award the Klika's employees for their years of services at the Klika. And that means that every year at Klika, as they turn each of the milestones, will receive a special award and recognition. What it means, it's basically we created different kind of milestones like 1 year of employee, 3, 5 and above. And we had already 2 or 3 different ceremonies last year, and since I joined 1 year before, my turn was to receive my award yesterday for 1 year of working at the Klika. We as a design team in collaboration with the marketing created different kind of goodies and swags last year, special created boxes with different kind of milestones. And besides all those kind of designs, we wanted to show appreciations of the hard work for our employees. So my turn was yesterday with approximately 30 different employees from the Klika, from different departments like design department, development, business development. And what I got yesterday is basically a nice lovely design box with some swags, and the swag that you get depending on the milestone is different. There's also custom designed pins that we created for each of the milestones, so that means that you can have a lovely collection of the different pins. And as you know from my Figma old unboxing video, I'm a big fan of designer socks, and I also love to have a nice collection of the pins. So I have 2 more in addition. I got yesterday one for the 1 year of employee. When I started to work at the Klika, I got a different kind of welcoming pin. And this is something that is really collectible, and I think everybody by the Klika appreciate that kind of gift. So let's see what I got yesterday.